Welcome back. Today we'll be learning how to produce our own sugar syrup. Homemade sugar syrup. The sugar syrup that you made yourself. Look at it. Look at how beautiful our sugar syrup is. And you know it is very, very easy to make this sugar syrup. I'll be taking you through the process of making this simple sugar syrup. Come with me. Let's dive right into the video. Okay, here we are. Just put a pot on fire on a very, very low heat, and you pour in your sugar. Normally you're supposed to use brown sugar for this, but where we don't have brown sugar, remember we are entrepreneurs, our creativity comes to play. We will use white sugar, and that is what I'm doing here. So when you don't have brown sugar, just use your white sugar. Pour it into your pot. There is no water inside that pot. It's just an empty pot that I put on fire. And I poured in my sugar, and I will allow it to fry until it is burnt. Just watch me as I take you through this process. Someone may be asking me, what do I use this sugar syrup for? Especially when it comes to soap making, it can be used for different things. I will tell you. But look at our sugar syrup. It's coming up very, very well. It's getting burnt, getting brown, and it's becoming a syrup. In fact, when my son was asking what I was doing, I said it is caramel. It is becoming like caramel. Okay, let's go back to the uses. Do you know you can use this sugar syrup to replace your brown color when it comes to soap making? Probably you're making soap and you want to get that very brown color, and you're not getting that brown color in the market that will suit what you have or what you want. You can actually use this sugar syrup to replace your color. When you pour this into your soap, it gives you that brown color that you want. And also, sugar can actually increase the foaming ability of your soap. When you add sugar into your soap, it will act as a foam booster for your soap. It will make it foam better. So you see why you should also add sugar syrup to your soap when you want it, especially when you want a brown colored soap. Our sugar syrup coming up very, very well. Look at it. It's becoming burnt. It's becoming beautiful. The next we'll do is to add in our water. Yes, our water is going in. Yeah. Just add water to the consistency that you want. Then your sugar syrup is ready. You can see it's a very simple and very easy process. This is something you can do at home, and in less than 10 minutes you're done. Just pour in your sugar and fry until it is very, very burnt, and then start adding your water until everything there is well dissolved and even. If this is your first time on my channel, if this is your first time of meeting me, I will introduce myself. My name is Ogechima Dukoma. I am the lead trainer at Glomajor's Business School. And on this channel, I upload valuable videos, valuable lessons, valuable trainings that will teach you different home essential products. Not just teaching you how to produce, I also tell you about different things that will help you start that business and help you grow it. I talk about things like your CSC registration, your trademark, your barcode, NAFDAC registration. Just search through my channel. You see videos I've done in the past that tells you how to go about all these topics that I've just mentioned now. Here, I teach you profitable production skills, and I teach you how to start that business properly from my years of experience. Our sugar syrup, just put in there on a very, very low heat and allow it to melt. I just did a very small quantity just to show you, just to experiment. I'm going to produce my bar soap with this syrup, but I just did this small quantity just to show you, give you an idea of how it is done so that you can do it. Where we don't have brown sugar, we used white sugar. Yes, that is why we are. That is why we are entrepreneurs. We always improvise. Yay! Our sugar syrup is ready to be poured into our bottle. Here it comes. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe, please, and also like and share so that YouTube shows it to people that need it. And to my returning subscriber, I say thank you so much for sticking with me. I know I load you with value here. Thank you so much for watching.